can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta.
What's up, car enthusiasts? Before you even think about scrolling away, let me tell you something. We've got 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom Acura MDX builds waiting for you at the end of this video that will completely change how you see this luxury SUV. Trust me, you don't want to miss these insane transformations. I'm your host from Steel & Style Garage, and today we're diving deep into the world of Acura MDX modifications that'll make your neighbors do a double take.
Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn.
If you're ready to see how we transform ordinary family SUVs into extraordinary machines, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like if you're excited about these builds, and drop a comment telling us what MDX generation you'd love to see modified next. From the classic first-generation MDX that started it all back in 2001 to the brand-new fourth-generation models rolling off the lot today, we're covering every single variation and showing you exactly what's possible when creativity meets horsepower.
Get through, cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all.
The JDM stance scene has completely revolutionized how we approach SUV modifications, and the Acura MDX is the perfect canvas for this aesthetic. When we talk about stance culture applied to the MDX, we're looking at aggressive wheel fitment, air suspension systems, and that signature tucked tire look that screams attention. The key here is achieving that perfect balance between form and function, lowering the vehicle significantly while maintaining enough practicality for daily driving. Starting with suspension, we typically go with premium air ride setups from brands like Airlift or Acura, allowing you to drop your MDX to scrape the ground levels for shows while maintaining reasonable ride height for daily commutes. Wheel selection is crucial. We're talking about deep dish designs, often in 20-22-inch diameters with stretched tires that create that coveted tucked appearance. Popular choices include Work-A-Motion series, SSR wheels, or Volk racing designs that perfectly complement the MDX's angular body lines while adding that authentic JDM flavor. Now here's where things get interesting. Transforming your Acura MDX into a muscle car-inspired beast that commands respect at every stoplight. This modification style focuses heavily on performance upgrades and aggressive styling cues that scream raw American power. We're talking about supercharger kits, cold air intakes, and exhaust systems that'll wake up the entire neighborhood when you fire up that V6 engine. The visual transformation involves adding aggressive body kits with wide fenders, hood scoops, and racing stripes that give your MDX that classic muscle car DNA. Think Dodge Challenger meets luxury SUV. It's an unexpected combination that absolutely works. Performance-wise, we're looking at ECU tuning, upgraded intercoolers, and sometimes even engine swaps for the truly dedicated builders. The result? An MDX that can surprise sports cars at traffic lights while still hauling your family and gear in complete comfort and style. European tuning culture brings a completely different philosophy to MDX modification. It's all about refined performance, subtle aesthetics, and engineering excellence. Unlike the flashy American muscle approach, Euro tuning focuses on understated elegance combined with serious performance capabilities. We're talking about clean body lines, quality materials, and modifications that enhance the vehicle's natural characteristics rather than completely changing its personality. Suspension upgrades typically involve high-quality coilover systems from brands like KW, Bilstein, or Öhlins that provide both improved handling and adjustable ride height. Wheel selection leans toward clean, geometric designs. Think BBS, OZ racing, or rotiform wheels that complement the MDX's sophisticated lines. Performance modifications include precision ECU tuning, upgraded turbo systems for forced induction models, and exhaust systems that provide that distinctive European sound signature. The overall aesthetic remains clean and purposeful, with subtle body modifications that enhance aerodynamics while maintaining the vehicle's premium appearance. The VIP modification scene originated in Japan and focuses on creating the ultimate executive transport. Think Yakuza boss meets luxury boardroom. When applied to the Acura MDX, this style emphasizes extreme luxury, presence, and that unmistakable, "don't mess with me" attitude. We're talking about transforming your MDX into a rolling throne room that demands respect wherever it goes. Interior modifications are absolutely crucial for the VIP style. We're looking at premium leather reupholstery, custom wood grain or carbon fiber trim, upgraded sound systems, and sometimes even rear seat entertainment systems that rival private jets. Exterior modifications focus on creating that imposing presence through lowered suspension, Large diameter wheels, often 22-24 inches, and subtle but aggressive body modifications. The color palette typically stays conservative: black, white, or dark metallic finishes that scream sophistication. Chrome accents, window tinting, and custom lighting complete the transformation into the ultimate executive transport. What happens when budget constraints disappear and creativity takes over? Welcome to the world of extreme custom MDX modifications, where literally anything is possible. We're talking about builds that cost more than most people's houses, featuring custom fabrication, one-off bodywork, and modifications that push the boundaries of what's considered an SUV. These builds often become rolling art pieces that showcase the absolute pinnacle of automotive modification culture. Extreme custom builds might feature complete body redesigns with custom wide-body kits, custom paint jobs involving multiple colors and effects, or even complete chassis modifications that change the vehicle's fundamental character. Engine swaps become common. Imagine a twin-turbo V8, or even electric conversions that provide instant torque and whisper-quiet operation. Interior modifications reach luxury car levels with custom upholstery, high-end audio systems that cost more than most cars, and technology integration that rivals modern supercars. These builds represent the absolute cutting edge of what's possible in automotive modification. Concept car-inspired MDX modifications represent the bleeding edge of automotive design, incorporating futuristic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology that might not appear in production vehicles for years. These builds often serve as rolling showcases for new technologies, materials, and design philosophies that push the boundaries of what we consider possible in automotive modification. Think science fiction meets real-world engineering. These modifications often incorporate advanced materials like carbon fiber, titanium, and even experimental composites that provide strength while reducing weight. Lighting technology plays a huge role. LED strips, programmable displays, and interactive lighting systems that respond to driving conditions or music. Powertrain modifications might include hybrid systems, electric conversions, or even hydrogen fuel cell technology for the truly forward-thinking builders. The aesthetic typically involves clean, flowing lines that suggest motion even when stationary, with color schemes and finishes that wouldn't look out of place in a Hollywood sci-fi movie. We've just taken an incredible journey through the world of Acura MDX modifications, from subtle JDM stance builds to extreme custom creations that defy categorization. The beauty of the MDX platform is its versatility. Whether you're drawn to the understated elegance of Euro tuning, the raw power of muscle car modifications, or the adventure-ready capability of overlanding builds, there's a modification path that perfectly matches your vision and lifestyle. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these modification styles speaks to your soul? Are you planning your own MDX build, or do you have questions about any of the techniques we've discussed today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Share photos of your own projects. And let's build a community of MDX enthusiasts who aren't afraid to think outside the box. Remember, every incredible build starts with a single modification, so don't be afraid to start your journey today. Until next time, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This is Steel and Style Garage, and we'll see you in the next one.